Now here's a beauty for the Oldsmobile fans. Check this one out. 1970 Oldsmobile 442 two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal 442. And best of all, numbers matching. 455 underneath the hood. That's paired up with it. Numbers matching. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, and burnished gold. Paint code number 59. B for black vinyl top, black interior. Let's take a look at the chrome up front, grille, headlight bezels. Knowing history on this car too, and we're going to get into that in just a little bit. First, I want to let you know where to check out all the still pictures. Look at the paint condition on that hood. All right, still pictures. You'll see the car from every angle, interior, undersides, engine bay, and check out the undersides, by the way. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Just look at the condition of that wheel. Beauty rings, center cap. All right, so a little bit about the history of this car. Sold on the East Coast new. That's where it spent the majority of its life. There's a paper trail with paperwork between the owners of this car that's actually documented the miles. So they are believed original miles, what is on the odometer. Build sheet goes along with it. There's actually a 3-ring binder of some information. And like I said, kind of the paper trail between the ownership of this car before coming to the Midwest, along with mile recordings. That build sheet, owner's manual, some miscellaneous paperwork, and yes, this car has been restored. Frame off, restoration done to it. At that time, the engine gone through rebuilt, as well as the transmission. As you can see, bucket seats, vinyl, center console. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. And if you're wondering why there's two, of course, 1970, you would have the over-the-shoulder as well as the lap belt. So you have 2 receivers on each side in the front seats. Vinyl top, nice shape, bright work, looking good. This one's a head turner. It looks as good in person as it does in the pictures in this video. Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of the video, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Of course, the dual exhaust coming out the rear, and again, you can see that paint shows well. Just a couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Checked out very well in our service department. By the way, the brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. It brakes straight, dries out very nice. Newer exhaust and mufflers. And again, look at the underside pictures. See how clean it is underneath there. Quadrajet 4-barrel. A minor powertrain weep. Typical of a car that's driven some. And yes, this car, get in it, turn the key and go. Have some fun, enjoy it. If you like Oldsmobile 442s, or maybe you like that 70 muscle car era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see, that driver's side sure looks good too. All right, door panel. Good shape. Your seating surfaces, nice shape. I've not noticed any rip stairs holes. Headliner, nice shape. And again, seating surfaces up front, nicely restored. Tilt column. Slide the seatbelts out of the way. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Technician noted the stereo does work. I've not played around that myself personally. Stereo's working. That's the original miles, 90,004. Now, of course, the car's been restored and engine been gone through, as well as that tranny. Let this warm up a little bit. Center console, good shape. Seating surface is again good shape. That was a cold start, so we're going to let it warm up here a little bit. I'm going to pop the hood, but I want you to listen to it. What a beauty. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, so there's a good look at the hood liner, underside of the hood. And it did warm up. We're off of high idle now. And as you can see, we have a newer master cylinder brake booster. You can tell the engine bay's been gone through. Very nice, clean and tidy. Looking much the way it would have looked back in 1970. Newer alternator, AC Delco. Good looking engine bay, no doubt about that. I'll slip around to the back too so you can hear that exhaust note on the lower idle. Great sounding car. Nice deep throaty. 1970 442 two-door hardtop, nicely restored, frame off, 3-ring binder of information that's going to go along with it. Check that out in the still pictures. Paper trail from between ownership also goes along with it. 507-386-1726 is the number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This one featuring 442 insignias. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it easy to drive. Drive your dream 1970 Olds. Beautiful car. Very nicely responsive steering and throttle. Love the sound coming out the back of it. Wood grain, of course, and that wood grain goes so well with the exterior color. Acceleration, very good. Something about that exterior color, it's really golden. It's sort of a bronze maybe. Not your typical gold color. A little darker. Beautiful color. Fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. Speedometer working. We are clock equipped over here. The stereo works.
At ofc-clinic.com/
That looks like an original radio, and it's an FM radio. The blower motor works, and also the wipers. Original appearing vinyl bucket seats. Mostly black interior with that beautiful wood grain and chrome accents. And brushed stainless accents on the steering wheel here. Brakes also nice and smooth. Look at that, someone's hauling a project. did notice underneath this car a rear sway bar. That helps in the corners. Excellent power steering. And there's the kick down, working on that automatic transmission. Nice firm shifts, the way you want it. Check out all the pictures of this Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.